Hi folks, this is your old pal Uncle Al. Don't forget to check out these new people. Okay, Sarah has a great garden. Please check that out. Naomi still has a few things, but she's learning. That's good. Check Hubble's cat out. I'm praying for him. Despite his weird socialist ways, I like Hubble's cat as a friend. We won't talk politics because Hubble's asked for a Red Dragon report. Right now we're in second stage of number one. Problem is there's 12 other diseases that's running rampant right now. Measles are uprising. I just had a vaccine for whooping cough. That's fun. That's why I was so tired. I got a vaccine from my doctor and I'm supposed to stay inside and stay away from kids. I have until my system's cleared in about 2 weeks. I still have whooping cough. That's why I'm coughing and my voice is gravelly, stress and everything else. We are in the first 5 phases. Remember I told you about this. We'll get back to them. Let me show you these folks right here. Nikki and all these people right here. And Becky and Allie and Vital and Boon Chow. Don't forget to check out these folks to learn how to prep. Now I do have to warn one thing, folks, and I have to keep this short. Okay, we are doing the 5 phases. Disease, not only red dragon, but we have other diseases. You might get tuberculosis, Hep C, Hep A, Hep B. Okay, we are living in unclean conditions in America. We are gathered too much and we're protesting too much. You have to stop it from December until January. No protesting, no Antifa, no Black Lives Matter. You have to stop. Because number one, disease will kill you. Number two, weather and natural disasters. Now, right now, the South Coast is the Gulf states. They're in big trouble. I counted another 3 tropical storms and 2 possible hurricanes. They're pin-shotting off of the Yucatan Peninsula. They'll hit either Florida as a tropical storm or hit Georgia, Mississippi, Houston. I can't figure out the outcomes on that. Too many variables. 3, right now we're in starvation. That's phase 3. Starvation throughout the world and economic warfare. The big game players on that are China and Russia. Now, Russia has the advantage, and also China has the advantage. China put a lot of their foreign currency into the U.S. election. If they don't start looting America next month, they're going to be broke, and they can't do anything. So next month in December, economic warfare in America, the looting of America in 2021 to 2022. If you remember Biden and Harris, before Mr. Biden goes away in April and Harris takes over, you're going to lose economic prosperity. We will not get out of the Greater Depression from 2021 until 2035. Best estimate even if the Republicans win in 2024, the damage will be so great on this. On phase 3, starvation and economic warfare, that either side, Democrat or Republican, will have to put up a draft for a workforce and a military force. No choice, no argument. Okay, either side, because what they're doing and playing their power games, I see the chessboards. Thanks to Hubble's cat, I'm now on chess again. I hate that. It drives me nuts. We are facing a serious problem. Phase 4, them. Now, if you watch Will Patriot's channel, Prepping Patriots, yeah, we're in that kind of boat, and boat's captained by a crazy person. There's a whole gash, and we're sinking into icy water, and there's jaws and pirates overhead. That's number 4, them. Best thing to fight them: organize, talk to people, start in small groups, try to grab as much territory. A lot of people don't understand. Half the country is red, the other half is blue, but the blue has more people in urban areas. So we always lose elections. Trouble is, those blue areas are the same ones that have a high rate of infection. Also, they don't produce food, but they produce capital, money. And that leaves number 5. Last one. They take your kids. Now, a lot of people look at me, oh, I'm not going to let them take my kids and my property, my guns, my gold, my silver, my food stuff. And again, a lot of people don't read history. They should. And I'll catch you later. Sorry, this was a long rant, but I'm tired and I'm taking a few days off. I'm figuring out how to feed people that used to go to food missions, that used to go to church dinners. Uncle Alan has a will, Uncle Alan has a way. I just don't talk about it. Catch you later, folks.